Updating your billing information on Toptal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Visit the Toptal website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Billing or Payment Information. Click on this section to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your payment details. In the billing section, you will see your existing payment methods. Choose the option to edit or update your payment information. Enter the new billing details as required. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Toptal. Regularly checking and updating your payment details can help avoid any disruptions in service.